Hello my dear kids, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today I am here to discuss with you about the topic food we eat from your book Environmental Studies. So all of you first open your book, open the second unit of your book, that is my needs. That means what things do we need for our daily life, for our life, we will know about them in this unit. So the very first chapter of this unit is food we eat. So our today's topic is food we eat. We are going to discuss about this. You must open the book, page number 33, and look at the text. I am going through and you follow me. Look, we need food to live and grow. It makes us healthy and strong. Food gives us energy to work and play. We get all our food from plants and animals. So, the very first line says that we need food to grow and be fit. To work, food gives us energy and strength. Now, come to the next part. Food groups. Some food gives us energy, some food helps us to grow, and some food keeps us healthy. So we take different kinds of food, not similar kinds of food we eat every day or every time. We eat different kinds of food, and these food help us to store energy. They give us energy and strength. They help us to grow, and they keeps us healthy also. Our diet is the food that we eat and drink regularly. Based on what we get from food, we can divide it into three groups. So what is diet? You know that diet is the food that we drink and eat regularly. What food we take regularly and drink regularly, that is our diet. That is our particular diet. And based on the food we take every day, we can divide the food into three groups. So we can divide the food into three groups. First group is energy giving food. Energy giving food. ENERGY. Energy giving. GIVING. Giving food. So the very name suggests the meaning also. Energy giving food. That means this kind of food serves us energy. They help us to store energy within our body so that we can work properly. Look, some food gives us energy to work and play. Look, I told you. It is called energy giving food. Bread, butter, rice and sugar are some energy giving food. So what are the examples of energy giving food? Some examples are bread, butter and rice, sugar, etc. There are many more things that gives us energy. So first group is energy giving food. Remember the example and the work of the different kinds of food. Next, move to the next page, page number 34. Bodybuilding food. The second part is bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food. That means this kind of food help us to build our body. Look, some food helps us to grow. It also makes our bones and muscles strong. It is called bodybuilding food. Milk, eggs, grains, pulses, and fish are some bodybuilding food. So, these kind of food helps us to make our body healthy and strong. And they help little children to grow and stay fit. And some example of this kind of food are milk, eggs, grains, etc. Milk, eggs, grains, etc. And here in the corner, here Granny says that drink 2 glasses of milk every day. Milk makes our bones and teeth strong. So milk is a bodybuilding food, and there is a suggestion for you that you should drink 2 glasses of milk every day, because milk is very necessary to make your bones and teeth strong. Next part is protective food. So we divided the food into 3 groups, and third part is protective. Protective. Protective food. Protective food. Some food protects us from diseases and helps us to be healthy. It is called protective food. So these kind of food help us to protect ourselves and boost our immunity power and keeps us healthy and fit. It is called protective food. Fruits, vegetables and milk are protective food. So milk is also a bodybuilding food and also a protective food. And therefore, I can write milk for protective food also, and banana and papaya, all kinds of fruits. You can write fruits. They are protective foods. Now you know that we divided the food groups into three groups: energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Energy giving food gives us energy, and the example of energy giving food are bread, butter, rice, etc. Then comes bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food helps us to make our body strong and help us to grow. They are the example of bodybuilding food are milk, eggs, grains, etc. Next comes protective food. It helps us to protect ourselves from many kind of diseases, and it boosts our immunity. And the example of protective food is milk, fruit, tomato and green vegetables. They are protective food. Now, along with food, we need something more important for our body. What is it? Can you tell me? Can you guess it? It is water. Water. Water is very important for our life. Water. Look, importance of water. The next para. Along with food, our body needs lots of water. It helps to break down food we eat. It also flushes out wastes from our body. We must drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So along with food, we take food and we also drink water. Water helps us to break our food grains, food into small parts, and water helps us to consume them. So water is very necessary. When we take food, we should also drink water with plenty of amount. Look. So it says that you should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. You should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. It is very necessary to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day for you. Next, balanced diet. It is important to include all kinds of food in our diet. A diet that has the right amount of food from all food groups and water is called a balanced diet. Now we know about the balanced diet. Earlier we have read that what is diet? Diet is the particular habit of eating the food regularly. Now balanced diet. What is balanced diet? It says that we should take every part of the food from different kinds of food groups, like from the energy giving food, from the bodybuilding food and protective food. We should take all kind of food from this group regularly and along with water also. And this mixture and this particular proportion of food and water makes our balanced diet. A diet that has the right amount of food from all food groups and water is called the balanced diet. Remember that balanced diet is the balance that is the right amount of food from the all food groups and water. We call that balance is balanced diet. Next, different food habits. Different food habits. We all do not eat same kind of food. We differ from each other. We also take different kinds of food. Now, some people do not eat fish, meat and eggs. They eat only food we get from plants and milk. There are some people who do not eat fish, meat or eggs. They only eat plants and milk products and milk. We call them vegetarian. We call them vegetarian. Vegetarian. Vegetarian eats vegetables and plants and milk products. They do not eat meat, fish and eggs, etc. People who eat fish, meat and eggs are called non-vegetarian. So there are two kind of people. One people do not eat fish and egg, and another kind of people eat all kind of fish, meat and egg, and we call them non-vegetarian. Two kind of people, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Vegetarian eats vegetables, milk and plants, and non-vegetarian eats along with vegetables and milks. They also eat meat, fish, eggs. Now move to page number 35. Our food habits depend upon many things. Some of them are as follows. Our food habit depends on many things. On which things? Look, the place where we live. The place where we live is a reason for our food habit. The food we can get easily. What food we can get easily in the market, we eat them. Our religion. According to our religion, we also take some special food. Particular food according to our religion we take. Our own choice and taste. And our own choice and taste. It is obvious that if you do not like the food, you will not take it. So our own choice and taste is also necessary for our food habits. Some people need to have different food because of age. Some people need to have different food because of age. How? Babies drink only milk. The infants, they drink only milk because they cannot eat anything else. Small children and old people take milk and soft food. Small children and old people take milk and soft food because they don't have teeth. So they cannot chew the food. So they gobble the food, the soft food and milk. These are easy to chew and break down in the body. And they can digest the food. They can digest this soft food and milk easily for their body building and to keep their body healthy. Now, food to avoid. What food should we avoid? What kind of food should not eat? Some food items taste good but are not very healthy. We are attracted to some food but they are not healthy for us, and we take them, but it is not good. It is not right to take them. These are called junk food. Eating too much of these makes us fat and lazy. If you take much amount of junk foods, it will make you lazy and it will make you fat also. We should not eat this regularly. We should not eat this regularly. Sometimes you can eat this if you want to, but not regularly. And what are the example of this junk food? Chocolates, pastry, chips, and fast foods that are sold in the market. You should not take this regularly because it harms our body. It is not healthy for us. So, this was the chapter about the food we eat. I hope you have understood it. And now your task is to go through the text once again. And if you face any problem to understand this, let me know. I will explain you later again. Okay. So, that's all for today. Take care.